point of intersection of tangents drawn at 2 points on a parabola. So suppose we have 2 points A and B. Now for A, parametric coordinate is at1 square twice at1, and for B, its parametric coordinate is at2 square twice at2, and we need to find this result, which is point of intersection of tangents drawn at A and B. So we know that at A parameter is t1. So at A, equation of tangent will be t1y equals x plus at1 square, and at B it is t2y equals x plus a t2 square. Now first we'll find y, so we'll eliminate x. So I'll subtract the second equation from first. I'll write t1 minus t2y, and this is a, t1 square minus t2 square. So from here we'll write this y as a t1 plus t2. So for the point of intersection, its y coordinate is a t1 plus t2. Now we'll find its x coordinate. So we'll just put the value of y here. So we'll put the value of y here. We'll get a t1 square plus a t1 t2, and this is x plus a t1 square. So this a t1 square will cancel. So x coordinate will be a t1 t2. So suppose if we'll draw two tangents at points A and B, and they intersect at this point P, then the result is this point of intersection is given by a t1 t2 and then a t1 plus t2. It's a very important result which is used in locus problems. So there'll be many questions where we need to find locus of this point of intersection. So what we'll do is we'll actually take these points as t1 and t2, and then we'll take this point of intersection as a t1 t2 and a t1 plus t2, where a t1 t2 is alpha and a t1 plus t2 is beta, and then we'll try and find relationship between alpha and beta by eliminating some given condition. So we'll be using it for locus problems and for various other problems. Let us take a question, and which is two tangents to parabola y square equals 8x meets the tangent at its vertex in the points P and Q. If PQ is 4 units, prove that locus of the point of intersection of two tangents is y square equals 8x plus 2. So first we'll draw this figure. So we have this parabola, which is y square equals 8x, and then we have 2 points where tangents are drawn. Now it says two tangents to parabola meet the tangent at its vertex in the points P and Q. So this point it is P, and this point it is Q. If PQ is 4 units, so this is 4 units, we need to prove that the locus of point of intersection of two tangents is y square equals 8x plus 2. So we need to find locus of point of intersection, which is, say, this point R, and since it's a locus problem, the first step is we'll identify this point and we'll say this point is, say, alpha comma beta. Now suppose these contact points are A and B, with A is given by this parameter t1 and B is given by this parameter t2. So what is the equation of tangent at A? So equation of tangent at A will be t1y equals x plus a t1 square, and equation of tangent at B will be t2y equals x plus a t2 square. We need to find these points P and Q. Now this point P, it lies on y-axis. Now for y-axis, I'll put x as 0. So then I'll get y as a t1, and for B it'll be y equals a t2. So that means this point P will be 0 comma a t1, and this point Q is 0 comma a t2. Now it is given that distance between P and Q is 4. So that means a, and this mod of t1 minus t2, this value, it should be 4. Now we need to find locus of the points of intersection. So we'll say these locus is alpha and beta. So we know that alpha is a t1 t2 and beta is a t1 plus t2, because that is the result that we have, point of intersection of tangents drawn at 2 points on a parabola. Now we need to find t1 minus t2. So from here we'll write t1 plus t2 as beta upon a and t1 into t2 as alpha upon a. So mod of t1 minus t2, it will be under root of t1 plus t2 whole square and minus 4 t1 t2. So we can write it as under root of beta square upon a square minus 4 alpha upon a. So this value, it should be under root of beta square minus 4a alpha upon a. Now it is given that a t1 minus t2 is 4. So we'll just put the value of t1 minus t2 in this equation. So then we'll get under root of beta square minus 4a alpha, and this is 4. Now we'll square it, we'll get beta square equals 4a alpha and then plus 16. Now here the value of a is 2. So I'll put a as 2. So we'll get this as beta square equals 8 and then alpha plus 2. Now eventually we'll replace beta with y and alpha with x. So we'll get this equation as y square equals 8 x plus 2. Now the question is, if two tangents to the parabola y square equals 4ax from a point P make angles theta 1 and theta 2 with the axis of parabola, then find the locus of P in each of the following cases. And the first case is when theta 1 plus theta 2 is alpha, which is a constant. Now suppose we have a parabola and then we have tangents drawn at 2 points. Their point of intersection is suppose P, and we need to find locus of P. So what we'll do is we'll take this P as alpha comma beta, and suppose this point is A and this point is B. So A is a t1 square twice a t1 and B is a t2 square twice a t2. Now we know that point of intersection of tangents is given by alpha should be a t1 t2 and beta should be a t1 plus t2. Now it says these two tangents make angles theta 1 and theta 2 with the axis of parabola. So if tangent is drawn at A, we know that slope of tangent is given by 1 upon t1. So that means tan theta 1, it is 1 upon t1 and tan theta 2 is 1 upon t2. Now in the question it says condition is theta 1 plus theta 2 is constant and is given as alpha. So we'll take tan both sides. We'll write tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 upon 1 minus tan theta 1 tan theta 2, and this is equals to tan alpha. Now tan theta 1, it is 1 upon t1 and tan theta 2 is 1 upon t2. So we'll write 1 upon t1 plus 1 upon t2, and this is 1 minus 1 upon t1 t2, and this is equals to tan alpha. So we can write it as t1 plus t2 is equal to tan alpha and then t1 t2 minus 1. Now what's t1 plus t2? It is beta upon a. So we can write it as beta upon a tan alpha. And what's t1 t2? It is alpha upon a. So it is alpha upon a minus 1. So we'll get this equation as beta equals tan alpha into alpha minus a. Now eventually we'll replace beta with y and alpha with x. Actually I should have taken some other point because here the angle given is alpha, but fine. So answer to this question is y equals tan alpha x minus a.